Now, tell us about your company now. You specialize in building airport logistics systems. Can you give us a bit of background and how did your company end up being such a specialist at this trade?
We started in 1979 by our founders. At that time, in the early 80s, Singapore was starting to build a lot of factories. So we were in logistic solution systems for all sorts of industries, from cements to industrial fan to automated car park systems.
From the engineering perspective?
Yes. So we designed and built all these systems. And what happened at the end of 80s and 90s, where Singapore, another transformation into a high-tech industry. And then we realized that the systems, industrial systems, are very competitive. And so we had a break building some conveyor systems for Changi Terminal 1. And at that time, the management and the chairman, led by our chairman, decided that we should find a niche market that we can specialize in, so that our people don't have to build all sorts of knowledge, because retaining staff is a challenge, especially you only have a small market in Singapore. Thus, we specialize in, we decided then to focus on airport logistics, and we channel all our energies and build our know-how and sharpen our knowledge in this field, in airport logistics. And then coming to the 21st century, we felt that to complement our existing business, we have to do cargo handling systems as well. So we bought the UK company, CDG Systems, and now we offer another products, basically within airports, logistics, but cargo handling as well.
What are the risks for your company to continue to specialize in this area? We're seeing two major trends right now. One is high oil price, and the other is the credit crisis that's hitting a lot of companies around the world. How concerned are you about these twin trends?
The high oil price are and will continue to affect everyone, except if you are running the oil company or have oil deposit in your backyard. We are starting to get into a global scene as a Singapore and Asia-based company. We are number one in Asia. Our competitors are mostly European and US companies. We don't have 50% worldwide market. If I'm up there, I'll be concerned about the impact of this high oil price. So we are currently at estimated 8 to 10% of worldwide market share. If we get to 20%, it is still double our turnover, but just about 10% more of world market. So sitting at a lower market share, the impact on the slowdown in air travel will not be that great. Airports also take a long-term view. If they plan the airport today, they are not going to slow down because of oil price. Now, if you look at this is a double-edged sword as well, opportunity and threats. If you look at Middle East, where next 5 years, 8 trillion oil money is going to flow there, they're building huge airports. So we could capitalize on that airport construction boom in Middle East. And we are in great position because we have subsidiaries in Dubai with 80 over staff, providing marketing, sales, design and engineering services to Dubai International Airports. And it's going to help us cover that region as well. So we have a positive impact on the high oil price as well.
If you took a long-term picture, long-term view, does it make sense for your company to actually look at diversifying away from building airport logistics systems? That means do something that, in your words, in looking at the oil industry, it's booming and the economies of money. do you think, given your engineering base, you could do something related to the energy patch?
Well, I believe a lot of people are definitely considering going to energy sector. Right now, based on our 5-year plan, we still would like to focus on airport logistics systems, because we are still, our market share is not that big in the world. And while we go to the world, whether in Africa or South America or Canada or US, these new market pose additional challenges to us. We have to know, we have to manage one variable at a time. If you diversify into other industries, that means you have too many variables and it may cause stress to the company. So we would like to remain in airport logistics, vary one at a time. That means the environment, the countries, the rules, the knowledge of our people, to build a global knowledge in how to do business in each and every continent is critical. After we establish globally, after 5 years, maybe we could consider.
When is your 5-year plan end?
Current one will end, started this year, will end 2008 to 2013. But 5-year plan is always a living document. In between, if there are other environmental changes that we have to react, we'll change it.
Not fixed in stone, eh?
No, you can never in this world.
On that note, Mr. Un, thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome, Mr. Un. Thank you.